Hello guys, I want to show us how to make use of the new Figma feature, which is the variables and conditional. Okay, so this is a design I made and we'll be using that for illustration. Click on the space outside and then you see local variables. Click on it and click on create variable, and you see color, number, string, and boolean. We'll be making use of number variable for this tutorial. Click on it. You can give it any name you want, and then you can start with any variable value you want. Okay, we'll be starting with 0, and what we want to do, we want to assign that variable to this number. So go to text layers, and then over here you will see add variable. I will click on it, and then we'll select the number, the variable created. Okay, and what we'll do now is, if you notice, if you click on the touch variable, it will go back to the default state was. So we'll have to go back and then add it again. So you have to be very careful not to detach it, or else it won't work. We can increase the variable value or reduce it. Whatever I'll do here will affect it. Okay, so what we'll do now, I want to go to the prototyping, and so select the plus sign, that's for addition. Click on interaction and click on set variables. We'll select the number, the variable we created, and then click on it. And what we want to do is such that once we click on it, it will increase by 1. So add +1. So let's preview and see how it is. So what this should do is that once we click on this plus, it will be increasing by 1. Yes, but now we find out that we cannot decrease it and nothing happens. When we want to decrease, nothing happens. So we'll have to set a variable for that as well. Click on interaction, on click, select set variable, select our number variable, number, and then subtraction and -1. So it will be going down by 1. So once we decrease it, it will be going down by 1. But then I have a problem, it's going beyond 0. I don't want it to be like that. So I want it to stop at 0. When we are subtracting, it should stop at 0. So what we'll do, this is where conditional this thing comes in. We'll use the conditional statement for it. We'll select conditional now. Okay, and then select our number variable, and then what we'll be using is create harden, such that if it is greater than 0, yes, it should increase, but once it is less than 0, it should not take any action. Yes, so we'll set it as 0, and then let's try. We'll increase, and we'll find out that once we are decreasing, it's still going down. There is something we didn't do. So what we'll do, we'll go back to these variables. You have to select your parent variable where you set the whole conditions, and nest it on the actions, on the conditional statements here, and everything should work perfectly now. So can increase and decrease, and to stop at 0. So guys, this is how to make use of variables and conditional statement when working on your cards buttons. Thank you.